So I'm going to be using a little bit of our dry shampoo. Lo que voy a estar usando un poquito es nuestro producto de shampoo seco. And I'm just going to be spraying it all around her hair. Make sure that when you guys are using our dry shampoo, you don't spray it right at the root, kind of 8 to 12 inches away, and just kind of use your fingers and apply it on the scalp. I love our dry shampoo. How many of you guys use dry shampoo? Estén seguros que cuando están poniendo este producto en el cabello, pónganse como de 8 a 12 pulgadas fuera, no tan directo en el cabello, en el cuero cabelludo. Nomás así. ¿Cuánta gente usa nuestro shampoo seco? Es un spray súper fácil de aplicar. Alright, with my model, with this model, she's going to a party. She only has 5 minutes to get ready. Con esta modelo, va a ir a una fiesta y nomás tiene 5 minutos para alistarse. Y'all see what I'm doing? All I'm doing is brushing it back. Who likes that slick hair back? It's actually in style right now. I'm literally just brushing it with, I'm combing it with my comb. Wait. Y'all see that? I am gonna put a little bit of my air paste. Voy a ponerle un poquito del air paste para aplicarlo. Where are you guys from? Let me know. I know everybody's Christmas shopping right now, or if not, you're not Christmas shopping, you're going crazy at the salon, right? Yo sé que ahorita todos andan de compras, comprándose los regalos, los últimos regalos, o si no andas de compras, estás en el salón bien ocupado y gracias a Dios. Thank God for being busy. All I'm gonna do is with 2 little black rubber bands, y'all see this? I'm just gonna pin it. That's it. Simple. I'm going to use some of our spray. Super easy. Algo fácil, sencillo. And you know what? What I like nowadays that you could do updos and they don't have to be super perfect anymore. You could, I think the messier, the better. A lot of people like to look like it's, you know, they did it at their house themselves. So they don't like that super perfect curls or anything like that. More of a looser curls. Lo que me gusta ahora en este tiempo, que mucha gente ya no quiere esos peinados que están perfectos, que son los chinos, esos que no se pueden ni quebrar. Les gusta más el peinado que esté un poquito más, que se vea un poquito más natural. So, I just did her bun. Her ponytail. Y'all see that? Simple little, that's it, right? Ponytail. I used 2 little black bobby pins. I'm going to grab a little bit of the hair underneath. So voy a hacer un poquito de su cabello de abajo del chongo y le voy a dar vueltas alrededor. I'm just going to twist it. You could use a bobby pin and pin it and secure it. Look at that. It looks so pretty because you don't see the rubber band anymore. So lo único que hice es agarré un poquito del cabello, se lo enredé en el chongo y así ya no ves el chongo que trae. Ya nomás es su cabello. Okay, now, how many of you guys have seen the glitter? Instead of a clip or rhinestones. How many of you guys have been using just gel with a little bit of glitter? I used our Mega Gel and I just added some red, green, and gold glitter in here just because it's Christmas. Aquí nomás usé el gel y le puse el brillante, nomás le puse rojo, verde y dorado. Y los mixé. I just mixed them together. I got this little brush. And all we're going to do is apply at the corner. Do y'all see that? It just changes the style. Can y'all see that? I feel like my light's kind of a little bit too bright on this one. But I love the way it looks. ¿Pueden ver eso? And it just changes her style, and she could wear like a red shirt or a green shirt or a gold shirt. If you want to put just all red, it'll be more like bright. If you want to put just all green, it'll be, you know, pop out. The gold, I feel because of her hair's blonde, it kind of like blends it in. But if you want to just do one solid color, that's perfectly fine. If you want to mix them up, same thing. Something super easy. I love the way it looks. Algo super fácil y sencillo. Me encanta cómo se ve. Y nomás para terminar, pues nomás le echo un poquito de nuestro design effects. Hey Brenda, how's everybody doing? Y nomás para terminar le voy a echar un poquito para tener un poquito más de control. And I'm also going to put a little bit of our air paste to have a little bit of more control. And look how pretty that looks, guys. Just simple, nothing to it. She could also apply it just in the front or on one side. Es algo super sencillo. Nada que es difícil para que alguien lo pueda hacer. They could do it themselves at home.